How to become Instacart Shopper. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Now to become Instacart Shopper is simple. You'll have to simply apply or create an account at shoppers.instacart.com. So head into your web and head into shoppers.instacart.com and there proceed to apply to log in or create the account. After that, you'll have to download the Shopper app from the App Store or Google Play Store to complete the sign up process. So you can see sign up option, work your way, get paid, make someone's day here. So sign up, create an account, set up account in app, then start earning money. Now you must be 18 plus eligible to work in the US and have access to a vehicle for deliveries as well. Then once you have signed up, you should head over to your App Store, Play Store and Instacart Shopper. You can search it this way and you should get the app here, which you can easily install and sign up, complete the sign up process and then proceed to work. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.